Turning now to the Lindsay Clancy trial down in Plymouth, psychiatrists who treated Clancy taking the stand today. One supervised Clancy's inpatient treatment just a few weeks before the murders. We want to remind you the details of this case, extremely disturbing. Clancy charged with murdering her own 3 young children and then trying to take her own life. The doctors testifying about what they thought about Clancy's state of mind. On the stand, a psychiatrist who treated the defendant after she got to McLean Hospital on New Year's Day, 2023. That was just 3 weeks before Lindsay Clancy killed her 3 young children, cut herself, and jumped from a second-story window into the backyard of her Duxbury home. Dr. Aaliyah Goodhart testified Clancy signed into McLean voluntarily. She says Clancy wanted to be able to sleep at night, but not be dependent on an antipsychotic medication she had been taking, which can also help with insomnia. And they discussed medical records showing Clancy had contemplated taking her own life.
Did she have any plan?
No.
Had she reported that she had ever had a plan for suicide?
No.
And did she tell you there were reasons why she thought she wouldn't commit suicide?
Yes.
And what were those reasons?
Her children and her family, her mother.
Goodhart testified Clancy asked to be discharged a day earlier than had been planned on Thursday, January 5th. The doctor agreed, provided Clancy made an appointment for a follow-up evaluation. And she explained why she did not think Clancy was a danger to herself or others.
She was clearly invested in her children. She was a caring mother, just like a caring mother.
The defense claims Clancy was over-medicated and suffered from postpartum psychosis when she strangled her children. Attorney Kevin Reddington cross-examined the doctor, asking about medications his client had been taking and whether Goodhart knew Clancy's history of taking different drugs for depression, insomnia, and bipolar symptoms.
Did anyone ever ask her to sign a HIPAA release for anyone to get access to nurse practitioner Gelada's records?
No.
How about psychiatrist Tufts' records?
No.
Goodhart says Clancy herself told her what meds she had been on and the dosages. Clancy's outpatient psychiatrist, Dr. Jennifer Tufts, then took the stand and told the jury she discussed putting Clancy on Zoloft to treat depression after their first telehealth meeting in September of 2022. That was 4 months after she had her son, Callan, her 3rd child.
She was worried about having side effects.
Tufts testified Clancy was experiencing anxiety and a depressed mood at times.
Did you ask her questions such as, do you have suicidal intent?
Yes.
What was her response?
That she did not.
Did you ask her if she had homicidal intent?
Yes.
What was her response?
That she did not.
The defense today filed a motion requesting permission to call a former McLean Hospital employee to the stand. She recently posted a video on TikTok in which she was critical of prosecutors' statements during the trial about the excellent quality of care at that facility. The trial will continue on Monday. Mental health, of course, at the center of this trial. If you or anyone you know is struggling, you can call the Crisis Lifeline. Just dial 988 to speak with a counselor. Help's available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.